We're going to test these products against each other today. Let's get it started. The Roadhouse is sponsored by Speedy's Industrial Coatings in Ozark, Missouri. They do media blasting, powder coating, big or small, they do it all. Tell them the Roadhouse sent you. Today on the Roadhouse, I'm going to clean up this 454 motor here so I can install it in my Super Sport Nova. Now, first thing I'm going to try is this CRC parts cleaner and degreaser. It's a Pro Series. It says it's 14 times faster clean. It was about $8. I'm going to try it first. So says to use short bursts. Says either let it air dry or wipe down with a clean cloth and repeat application if necessary. Now, I'm not in a hurry to do this motor. My engine paint from Eastwood gets here at the end of the week, so I'm not in a hurry. So I'm going to test this versus an engine cleaner and degreaser, multi-surface. It's a citrus type stuff. I had really good luck with this citrus style here for cleaning paint off of a car. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one right here. I'm going to spray it on this other side of the motor. I'm going to let it sit. It says let it sit for 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and do that. This stuff doesn't even tell you how long to let it sit. At the first look here, it looks like this side over here with the Gunk brand is doing better than this side over here with the CRC brand. This over here looks like it's got some sort of a film on it that I may end up having to take off, whereas this side, it pretty much took most of it off. And it doesn't look like I'm going to have to redo it. Now, of course, I'm going to get back down in here and that area there. But so far, this Gunk is outdoing this parts cleaner. Now, this stuff sprays out like 100 miles an hour, and it's also got some stuff in it that is pretty dangerous to you. So, this over here looks like it's doing pretty good. Okay, this is after probably 2 times over here and 2 times over here of spraying it on and waiting a little bit. Now, the CRC parts cleaner and degreaser, it leaves a film on it, and you probably see a little bit better in my other part, but you have to clean it off. Whereas this Gunk engine cleaner and degreaser, multi-surface, it did pretty dang good on this side and didn't leave any film or residue of any sort on there. In fact, I'm not sure if you can really tell all that much, but it is much cleaner on this side than it is over here. So, you know, I'm trying to get this motor ready for prime so I can paint it later this week when the paint comes in. So I'm tired of trying this CRC stuff on this side. Now it comes out with a force, don't get me wrong, but it is not getting this thing clean. Not as clean as the other side. Now, it is getting some of it off, don't get me wrong. But not very much. Not for the money. It was $8, whereas this was 7 something. Maybe 6 something. Sorry, 6 something. I was rather disappointed in the CRC parts degreaser. Didn't work very well. I spent a lot of money on it. It was one of the higher end ones that was at one of the box stores. But I'm telling you this Gunk stuff, it worked a lot better. Now, is there stuff better on the market? I don't know. But when I bought these today, I picked this one because I've had good luck with citrus type strippers before, so I was hoping that it would take off the stuff off the motor pretty well. Did a really good job. Motor wasn't buried in grease, and if a motor was buried in grease, I would have power washed that stuff off and bought some crazy degreaser as well. But as far as this Gunk stuff, it worked pretty well today. So if I'm valuing which one was better, Gunk. Appreciate everybody for watching, liking, subscribing, and as always, if you're right or hard,